Welcome on board Royal Caribbean's Allure of the Seas. Today we are looking at our beautiful Central Park balcony room. It's number 14229, and if you know me, you know I do not like high places, and I'm not really sure why I booked this room for myself. But with that being said, it is a beautiful room. I'm a little terrified right now from the view that I have. Our favorite part of the room was the extended balcony. We had 2 full-size loungers in addition to the usual chairs and table. And the view of Central Park was incredible. For more travel videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, life's short. Take the trip.